This video is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice.
Refresh again, and boom. Ho, ho, ho. Look at this, guys. That's awesome. Hey, hi, Smart Sources here. I do a lot of research about Ethereum because I love Vitalik and I think it have big potential. I always find how to earn Ethereum, some interesting projects or airdrops. So, and now I want to share with you my own experience. And I need this one. Okay. Click start button. So, open this and launch the app. I place it here. Next step. And we need to do some settings. Copy it, paste. Yeah. And 6. Okay. And right. So, near again. Choose this one. And get. So, what we need follow the instruction, fill it up, click, and let's go. Yes, yep, yeah, and it works. So next, just to repeat it. Okay, place it here, here, and here. So, yeah, it works. Yeah, but it has some minutes. But I have my own feature. Give me a sec. So, what we need to do, I take this and paste. Yeah, and give me one more opportunity. Let's check it. Yep. And then you can conceive. Okay. And repeat another one. Yes. Oh. But now I want to choose this live. For this, I go here. Yeah. Choose this, copy. And I need to go here. Okay. And placed it here. And I think it's enough. Okay, go for it. Let's come back and check it. Yeah, all good. And here, close this. I'm gonna need to reload the page. Okay. Let's check. All is here. Good. All right. And now, guys, do you ready for the main one feature? Yep. And you ready? Boom. So, what we need to do? Let's see, get enough. Click here. And stopped. Bum, 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 bum. Accuracy is very important for here. Yes. And bow. Ho, ho, ho. Do you like it? I really like it. As for me, guys, it's enough for today. And let's save it. I need a little here. And take this one and go back. And place it here. And OK, confirm. Yeah, success. So, it's okay. And with the most pleasure, moment. Will I check it? No. Refresh again. And Boom. Ho ho ho. Look at this, guys. That's awesome. Thank you for watching and goodbye.